Now children, for your information, you should know that 60% of angiosperms sheds two-cell pollen grain on the, this is two-cell pollen grain. One cell is this and another cell is this. So it's a mature pollen grain, and this pollen grain is two-cell and sets on the stigma and form two male gametes at the same time. When this pollen grain shades on the stigma, at the same time two male gametes are formed there to fuse with female cell. Okay. So I'm telling about this pollen grain. So this one is two-cell structure and mature pollen grain, and this pollen grain having layers, the outermost layer is called exine, which is rough and tough, and that cannot be degraded by anything, even this is by any enzyme, any chemical or any acid that is resistant to any other substance, and this is made of sporopollenin. So you remember this exine layer is very rough and tough and made of sporopollenin, right? Next, this layer, innermost layer is called intine, and it is made of cellulose and pectin. And these pore-like structures in between exine, these are called germ pores, through which male gametes will be released for fertilization, right? So here you remember this is two-cell structure, two-cell mature pollen grain, and this is also called male gametophyte, where male gametes or male cells are formed. Okay? And in remaining 40% of the angiospermic species, three-cell structure or pollen grain is formed. And at the time of this stage, okay, here this is mature pollen, and again mitosis will take place, and this cell, generative cell, will further divided into two cells, and these two cells are male gametes, and male gametes are formed in male gametophyte. Means this whole pollen, mature pollen grain is called what? Male gametophyte. Within this pollen grain, male cells are formed, male gametes are formed, and these male gametes were formed is called male gametophyte. Okay, and this you count it. This one is first cell, second, and third. So here you can say three-cell structure of pollen grain is formed after mitosis, and these gets ready here after mitosis itself and directly shades on the stigma and start germinating pollen tube, and with the help of that pollen tube these two male gametes reach to the embryo.